Hello friends, today we are going to have some fun with eggs. Should I drop this egg here? No, it's going to create a mess and mom is going to beat me a lot. So let's find a way by which we can drop this egg. For that we need only vinegar. But before that, let's draw something on the egg and see how it feels like. So let's draw a smiley here. Wow, it feels so smooth and nice to draw. Okay, now in this egg we are going to draw a stickman. So here is the stickman and here is the first egg which has a smiley. Now we'll put the eggs in these two glasses. We have to put them carefully so that it does not burst. Okay, now we will pour the vinegar so that the eggs are fully immersed. In this glass I will add some color so that the egg gets colored. I'll put some vinegar. Now we have to wait for 2 to 3 days and see what happens. Can you notice that there are already some bubbles on the egg? Can you see that? Here you can see that there are very small bubbles on the egg. See, the bubbles are now visible more clearly. These are the bubbles of carbon dioxide. Now we have to keep them like this for 2 to 3 days. In between we are going to have a look to see what is happening. Bye for today. See you tomorrow. Yesterday we immersed the eggs into the vinegar and keep them aside in a safe place. Today 24 hours have passed and I am so excited to have a look at them to see what's happening. So let's check them out. So my first observation is that the drawings are partially rubbed off. Here you can see the smiley and so with the stickman. And also the shells are filled with carbon dioxide bubbles. Now let's have a look inside them. Here I can see that some things are coming off. It is not clearly visible in the white one, but it is better visible in the green one. Yeah, here you can see. The shell is coming off a little bit. This is because that the egg shell is getting dissolved in the vinegar. At this point, we will throw away this old vinegar and put this new vinegar in. So, I will throw this in a Again, we are going to keep them in a safe place for another 24 hours. Bye for today. See you tomorrow. Today I have a lot of things to show you and a lot of facts to discuss. Let's first take this green egg. This egg has been inserted in vinegar for 48 hours, that is to complete this. So let's see what has happened to this egg. We will carefully hold the glass like this and take the egg out. So you can see that the whole shell has dissolved completely. Can you see how rubbery it has become? I can press it with my fingers. Soft and squishy. So let's wash it with water and keep it in the tray. Okay, now it's clean. I will keep it here. See how it bounces. Boing, boing, boing. Now let's take the white egg. For this egg, we kept it for 4 days. So that means it is 96 hours. So let's check what has happened to this egg. Oh, you can see how large it is. Wow, you can see that the shell of this is also dissolved. So this egg also lost its shell in 2 days, but we kept it for 2 more extra days to see what happens. And what we saw is that this egg has become more larger than the green one. So you can see that this is huge. So let's bring the green one and compare. See, it is a little bigger than the green one. Let's compare these 2 eggs with a raw egg. So this one is a raw egg and these 2 were sitting in vinegar, one for 2 days and one for 4 days. So let's compare with the green one. Here you can see that it has become larger in size and this is little bit smaller. And this white egg is huge and this is, see how big it is than the raw egg. So the longer it sits in vinegar, the larger it becomes, and here you can see that it has expanded so much that here you can see it has cracked. This expansion is due to osmosis. The vinegar first takes out the hard shell and goes into the cell membrane of this egg. So it has become larger in size and soft. That's why the eggs have swelled up, and the longer we keep it in vinegar, the larger it gets. So let's keep this raw egg aside and bounce them. Oh my god. So now I will blow this egg. Let's put this torchlight on the egg. Oh wow, you can see. Now let's turn off the lights. Wow, you can see how beautiful it is, how it glows. How beautiful and glowing it is. Thank you for watching this video. Bye and see you next time.